Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we are going to explore some amazing home decor ideas using Macrame wall hangings. These versatile and stylish pieces can transform any room in your home, adding a touch of boho chic charm. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's dive into these creative designs ideas. Macrame wall hanging can make a stunning headboard for your bedroom. Choose a large, intricate designs to create a focal point above your bed. Pair it with cozy bedding and soft lighting for a warm, inviting atmosphere. Create a unique gallery wall by combining macrame wall hanging with other decoration elements like frame, artwork, mirror, and woven basket. Mix and match different size, shape, and texture to add visual interest and depth to your display. Macrame plant hanger incorporated greenery into your home decor with macrame plant hanger. Hang them near windows or in corners to create an indoor garden oasis. Choose a variety of plant and different shapes and color for a vibrant, lively look. Next, talk about macrame room divider. Use a large macrame wall hanging as a stylish room divider in open concept space. This can help divide different area of your home while still allowing light and air to flow through. Next, macrame wall hanging with shelf. Combine form and functions by creating a macrame wall hanging with built-in shelves. This is a perfect for displaying small decorative ideas, books, or plant. And follow our previous tutorial on how to make a macrame wall hanging shelf, which you can find in the description below. And there you have it, these creative home decor ideas using macrame wall hangings are sure to elevate your living space and add a touch of boho chic charm. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.